Hi, this is Sonia the RV DJ, and today we are reviewing for you the LeFree 8-in-1 electric cleaning brush. This was sent to us by the same company that sent us the garden hose a couple weeks back. So it has 8 different types of brushes that you can use with it. It is cordless, and you can use it continually for 90 minutes, and it's a fast charge, 3 hours. Maximum power is 25 watts. So that's the back of the box. You see the 8 different types of heads that are on it. And let's open up the box and see what we have. Alright, so in the box we have your lifetime warranty card, your instruction manual, and you have a scrub pad, a soft buffing or polishing pad, you have a microfiber pad, you have a small brush, a larger brush, you have a sponge, and this is the Velcro pad that you would use to put the sponge or the softer polishing pads or whatever onto. And we also have a pointed brush as well, if you need to get into any corners or anything. Alright, so we also have the polisher itself. And it is rechargeable. They give you a USB-A to USB-C charging cord and an extendable handle. We are going to clean off a sticker that's on the window of the camper. So we're going to try that on getting the sticker off. And it should come. Oh yeah, we got 4 bars of charge in there. So it's a full charge. And it's 2 speeds. So we'll put this together and we'll be right back. So we decided for this sticker, that's right here on the window of the camper, that we're going to use the larger round brush, flat round brush. So it just snaps onto the tool like this. And then we're going to use some Windex. And we're going to soak it down real good. Press the power button, which is right there. We'll try it on the slower speed first. We might have to soak it down a few times. Looks like it took it all off. I just have to get the bottom here a little bit. But for the most part, it's gone. Yep. And now we'll get a paper towel, wipe it off, and see what it looks like. Alright, so we got our paper towel. Yeah, squeaky clean. The sticker is gone. Look at that. Clean the window off a little better. There we go. So yeah, took the sticker right off. I think we worked on it for what, 3 minutes maybe? No swirl marks left on the glass. It's nice and clean. So I'd say it's a pretty good brush. And I don't think we used 1 bar of power on it. So I give it a thumbs up. So I hope you liked this review of the LeFree 8-in-1 electric brush. Like I said, it's the same company that sent us the garden hose that we did a review on a few weeks ago. And I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.